What the
My name is Sandy Garza, and I am on your side. Only Nationwide gives you an on-your-side review. It's about your life and your insurance. Sometimes you don't have enough coverage, or you may even have too much. We'll let you know.
This little dog here farted. It's like
Just the coverage at the right price for you.
Only a Nationwide insurance agent can give you an on-your-side review. Call 888-491-0119 to save up to $523.
it's not even there.
Policy and look to see if there's any gaps in coverage. You know, in addition, we talk about discounts that are available.
She's getting it.
We try to save you money. I mean, we really do.
Call 888-891-0119 now or call a local agent. Switch today and save up to $523. Listening and saving
Shannel.
money is how.
Nationwide is on your side.
On January 15th, an international spy on the CIA.
Oh, she's not doing anything.
Shannel.
New secret weapon. Jackie Chan is the spy.
Take it out and show her, and then like put it back in.
Can you mommy do that? Rated PG in theaters January 15th.
Why is Bright House
Oh my god.
Bright House Network is the home of free HD. With professional installation of your Bright House HD equipment, that's just part of our HD advantage. Along with free HD, we also give you big-time HD shows that start
Oh.
and access to an HD DVR and the HD pack. Plus the promise of more high-definition channels
Shannel.
to come. You'll have the
I got
advantage of HD from Bright House Network, the home of free HD.
Oh, she's not doing it.
The station you relied on
Shannel.
is heading to college. Now you can watch SEC football games on Bright House Sports Network.
Just like lay it in front of her face.
The conferences like the Big East, Conference USA.
Baby, are you okay? Oh, you okay? Oh, I love you. I love you. Shannel.
Network, the local sports leader, only on Bright House Network.
Now here's more SpongeBob.
This is so cute.
You put a treat in it.
No, we don't have any treats to give her. All the ones that we have give her stomach aches. This is so
Honey, it's scratching
cute.
at it.
I know. She's totally missing it. Thank you, treat.
Shannel.
Ooh, let me see. There was none.
What? What do you mean none? Don't these people read the paper?
Shannel.